I'm Juan. Thank you for joining me. Let's do a news recap on what happened today in the market. So overall, the market was down. S&P down 0.89%, Dow Jones 0.89%, NASDAQ down 1.39%. Pharmaceuticals were up 1.42%. We have some red, a lot of green overall. Had some major spikes today due to news. The majority of the indices traded lower. The Russell 2K tumbled 1.42% as the weakest link, and the NASDAQ dropped 1.39%. So ticker symbol BLU Health exploded today. You see here, it's trading 579, went to a high at 984. And this was due to spiked up 48% to a 17-month high due to its favorable finding in its refractory chronic cough study. And these are some of the stocks that I usually like to trade, where you read the endpoints that they're trying to reach and you buy the rumors, sell the news. They're very high risk, high reward type stocks. So a lot of investors are looking forward to the Fed's meeting to see, will they begin to taper faster? Will it cause inflation to go up? Fed's expected to speed up end of buying bonds. This is what they're going to be looking out for, just to see if they're going to speed up tapering. So a little Peloton drama. If you recall, May 5th, they had a child death, which caused the stock to plummet. So Sex and the City kind of did a parody where they depicted someone dying from a heart attack after 45 minutes in a Peloton class. Peloton responded where they had Ryan Reynolds, who concluded the video, he's alive, pertaining to Mr. Big's character portrayed by Noth in the original series Sex and the City. Peloton did spike up after that headline, but overall they've been down quite a bit since the initial drop. Nike is getting involved with metaverse. So after years of filing blockchain and NFT related patents, Nike made its firmest move in the metaverse yet by acquiring RTFKT Studios today. RTFKT, this company already has a massive presence in the NFC community, creating virtual sneakers and collectibles in the metaverse, most likely going to be the backbone of Nike's entrance towards the metaverse. Nike stocks were down today 1.3%. So this is another way Nike is diversifying its revenue and products by pivoting into the digital domain. I'm not sure. They're probably going to do like some minting of shoes, trading shoes on the blockchain, buying or burning tokens to get delivered to your house. We'll have to see what their plan is for the metaverse. So ARNA spiked up quite a bit here from 53 to 91 with the news that Pfizer announced its acquisition of this biotech company. So they purchased this company for $6.7 billion. And this company researches inflammatory conditions affecting the stomach and intestines. Says that Pfizer will pay $100 a share. This is like old school technique, I guess. Not relevant as much, where they used to talk about merger arbitrage, where people would kind of buy these stocks, get this dip here, buy it here at 89. And if the merger happens, it'll go to $100, but I don't know if that's still practice as much. The shares of Arena doubled today. Their company, they focus on treatments for colitis and Crohn's disease, as well as focuses on dermatology, GI issues, cardiac conditions. So they have quite a few things that I guess Pfizer can take some of their studies and kind of build on it. Pfizer's been making a lot of great moves lately. Just last month, they acquired Trillium Therapeutics. They're with Pfizer purchasing this company here today, they'll be more involved in GI, cardiology, and dermatology type of healthcare sector. A lot of the meme stocks are coming down to lows. You see here, this was big support, broke 139. So who knows? Next support is 116. This looks like it's signaling an end to kind of the meme stock phase. You see AMC here too, another big drop. Previous support was 29. It broke that down to 23. So will it go back to normal prices? But it looks like a lot of the meme stocks are pulling back. Tomorrow, a lot of people will be watching for movement in PPI. So PPI measures price movement from the seller's point of view. Last time we had CPI, where we talk about inflation and how everything's getting expensive for the consumer. This time from the eyes of the seller. So they're estimating that it's going to go up 0.5%. Well, we'll see. If it's more, then things will get more expensive. Apple nears $3 trillion market cap. Why it still has more room to run at record highs, according to CNBC. Apple shares hit an all-time high Stock is up 2%, trading at $182. They state that the stock is in a massive gamma squeeze right now, that they think that Apple is going to be the most interesting stock in the next year. They point out because of the Apple Car and because of VR. They recently had a rumor and a timeline of when they would come out with the Apple Car, and with the VR and the metaverse, that's definitely bringing a lot of hype. So that was just a brief recap of today's news. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and see you on the next video.